I Am My Best Work, a series of roadmaps, reports, recipes, doodles, and prayers from the front lines. Audre Lorde.
Audre Lorde, February 18, 1934, November 17, 1992, was a groundbreaking American poet, writer, feminist, and civil rights activist whose work championed the intersectionality of race, gender, sexuality, and class. Born in New York City to Caribbean immigrant parents, Lorde discovered her love of poetry at an early age, using it as a tool to express her feelings and observations. She earned her degrees from Hunter College and Columbia University, where she honed her craft and began addressing themes of identity and social justice. Throughout her career, Lorde's work was unapologetically personal and political, addressing systemic racism, sexism, and homophobia while advocating for empowerment and self-expression. Her poetry collections, including Coal, 1976, The Black Unicorn, 1978, and Our Dead Behind Us, 1986, are celebrated for their lyrical intensity and unflinching exploration of oppression and resilience. Her prose works, such as Sister Outsider, 1984, remain seminal texts in feminist and queer studies. Lorde described herself as a Black, lesbian, mother, warrior, poet, emphasizing the multiplicity of her identity. She co-founded The Kitchen Table, Women of Color Press, the first publishing house dedicated to works by women of color to amplify underrepresented voices. Her activism extended to health equity, particularly after her own battle with breast cancer, which she chronicled in The Cancer Journals, 1980. Audre Lorde's legacy is one of courage, intersectional advocacy, and a steadfast belief in the transformative power of words. Her work continues to inspire movements for equality and justice, embodying her belief that your silence will not protect you,